How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool little 67 Ford Fairlane factory 4-speed, super cool car. Done in a gorgeous burgundy, base coat, clear coat. Car had a restoration a few years back. Grill and all the headlight bezels are original and excellent condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. Car's real nice down the sides. It's got the little scoops on the hood. Pretty cool. Got a set of vintage Krieger SS's on it. So all the taillight housings and the deck lid trim is the original. Excellent condition for the age. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. Got the dual side view mirrors. It's got disc brakes up front, drum rear. Got a 289 with a 4-barrel. It's got all new front suspension in it. It's all painted nice, detailed nice under the hood. And again, it's got the 4-speed. It's got duals all the way out the back. Jams all look real nice. Interior's in excellent shape. Headliner looks like it's new. It's all real tight, nice. All the seat covers are real nice. Got front and rear seat belts. All new carpet in it. I'd have to say, when they restored the car, it could have the original or replacement door panels in it. All inside the trunk's nice. Got the factory jack spare. It's just a cool car. You don't see many of these. Factory buckets, everything in it. Thing fires right off, purrs like a kitten. Can't even hardly hear it run, just real nice, quiet, just a cool car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook.